What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be showing you how to install a Chassis Unlimited rear bumper on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma. Stick around for the end of the video and we're going to be giving you guys a discount code for any bumper Chassis Unlimited makes for any make and model truck. So when removing the stock bumper, you got two 19mm bolts here, two 17mm bolts here, as well as on this side. As you guys can see, that was a pretty easy install. An awesome feature that the Chassis Unlimited rear bumpers have is they come with these license plate lights. We also installed our 3-inch LED lights and some shackles to give it a nice look. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I was going to give you guys a discount code for any bumper Chassis Unlimited makes. That discount code is NCT2021. Use that at checkout and it'll save you 5% on any bumper they make.